Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your English activities. Today you are going to work with your practice book, page number 6. Unit number 1, a picnic in the country. Today we will be covering the quantifiers. We are going to study 3 quantifiers today. A few, a little, a lot of. The first thing we are going to do is to read the explanation, okay? And you are going to read with me. So I'm going to start and you are going to repeat after me at home. It's important you repeat this explanation of how and when we use these quantifiers. Repeat. A few, a little, and a lot are expressions used to talk about the amount or quantity of things. A few is used when there aren't many things. Use it with things you can count. Here you have an example. There are a few students in the schoolyard. Maybe there are only 3. Repeat. A little is used when there isn't much of something. You use it with things you can't count. Here you have an example. There is a little water in my bottle. Water is an uncountable noun because we can't count water. In this case, students are countable noun. Only 3 students. Let's continue. A lot of is used when there are many things or there is much of something. You use it with things you can count and things you can't count. Let's read the examples. For instance, there are a lot of spiders in the room, like 20 or more. This is a countable noun because we can count the spiders. The second sentence says, there is a lot of food on that table. Number 1. Here you are going to look and fill in the blanks. You are going to fill in the blanks with one of these quantifiers, okay? If you have any doubt, you can read the explanation again, okay? Let's read the first sentence. There's grass. So, is the grass a countable noun? Can you count the grass? Okay, now you have to see the quantity or the amount of grass. After you look and fill in the blanks, you are going to do the activity number 3. Here, you have to read and circle the correct word. In every sentence, you have 2 actions. You have 2 verbs to be. So, you have 2 verbs to be. You have is and are. Remember, we use is with singular and we use are with plural. Okay? I'm going to give you an example. There is, the first sentence says, there is, or there are a lot of water. So, water is an uncountable noun. We have to use there is. There is a lot of water. This is the right action. There is. Okay? The sentence number 2 says, there is or there are a few butterflies. So, can you count the butterflies? Yes, the butterflies is a plural noun. Butterflies, more than one, maybe 3 or 4. So, the correct action here is are. There are a few butterflies. Okay? Well, after you read and circle the correct word, you are going to draw the picture in your notebook. Okay? You are going to draw the picture with this description. Okay? With the description you read in every sentence. So, the first sentence says, there is a lot of water. That means that you have to draw a lot of water in the picture. The second sentence says, there are a few butterflies. That means that you have to draw few butterflies. Okay? Well, that's all you have to do in this page. I hope you had fun doing this activity. Keep practicing.